how many more positive integers less than 1000 are divisible by 237 than by 2347? How many more? That's more. How many more positive integers less than 1000 are divisible by 237 than 2347? So we need to find the number of integers less than 1000 that is divisible by 237, and number of integers n less than 1000 that is divisible by 2, 3, 4, and 7. And we need how many? We want to find how many more in here than in here. A number is divisible by 2, 3, 7. They're all prime factors. Then it must be divisible by 2 times 3 times 7. So in order to find how many numbers are there, we just need to find 1000 divided by 2 times 3 times 7, which is 42. And we need to find the number here with some remainders. There must be some remainders. And this is the number of integers less than 1000 that is divisible by 2, 3, and 7, right? Starting from the first number is 42, and then counting 42 multiply together. Multiply 2, multiply 3, until it's close to 1000. And that's division, how we find the number of integers, right? And then we also need to find how many numbers less than 1000 is divisible by 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 4, and 7. So we see that they all have 2, 3, 7. The only difference is has to be divisible by 2 as well, by 4 as well. So the number must be divisible by 2, 3, 7, and times another number, because we need also to divisible by 4. And in order for this number to be divisible by 4, we already have a 2 here. So we don't need 4 here, we only need 2. Because 2 times 2 is 4. And that will make sure that 4 n is divisible by 4. So that's the trick here. Even though I give you 4, because it's not a prime number, we only need to factor this number into prime numbers. Only use the prime numbers that is now present in other prime numbers, and which is and it has to be we need to find a number that makes n divisible by this number, removing what is already exist. And here is 2 is already exist, so we don't need 4, we only need another 2, which makes 4. So n must be divisible by, in this case, is 2 times 3 times 2 times 7, which is n is divisible by 48. So to find the number of n's less than 1000 is divisible by those numbers is equivalent to, we find 1000 divided by 48 and see how many numbers here. We find a number here, we find a number here, and we find a difference. That's what we are looking for.